Hello. This morning we have this 2008 on 2009. It's just short of 50,000 miles. 1.2 pure tech engine. It's come in occasionally getting a low oil pressure light. As soon as you turn the car off, symptoms go away. As you're probably aware, is the wet belt on these. What we're going to do is we're going to lift it up, take the sump off, and have a look. If you think you know what's causing the low oil pressure issue, drop it down in the comments. Let's crack on. Right, so car's up in the air. First thing first, let's get this oil draining. Put it quite high just to make it easier, but no problem. Give this thing a try, eh? Not ideal. Old fashioned one. Just get oily. That does look quite thick. Right, now we're going to pop the sump plug back in. It's just finger tight so we get it doesn't drip on me and gets oil drain out of the way. Now it's just a ring of 8mm bolts. Just going to try and unsettle it a little bit with the dead blow. Yeah, not that easy. Started somewhat, and use the trusty old razor blade. Just a little edge. Get a bit of movement out. Oh. That is an absolute mess. It's absolutely full. So you guessed it in the comments. Okay, so cleaning this out, because there is so much in it, I've tried my best to get some out without taking the cover off. I found the easiest way is to use a little slide hammer just to ease it out, just without distorting the cover. There you go. Just going to blast pose them through now as a brake cleaner. Get a little bit of material out. That's all nice and clean now. Already done that's the base layer as well. Just give it a more blast. Good as new. I'm gonna get a cloth and just run round that with it, just to make sure it's there's no bits of debris left inside there. There shouldn't be a debris in there, no, just to be on the safe side. So I'm just going to pop these in like that. So, just going to use a copper hammer just to make sure it doesn't get damaged. Something soft, I just tap it back in. Just don't want to deform it or anything like that. Like that, so it's nice and flush. There's one clean strainer. Right, so now that's all cleaned off, going to get the oil filter off, just so we can get access to the makes it a bit easier to get access to the mating area of the gasket, the sump. That's off. Get the oil off that area. Where's that? Cleaning it up. Now there's loads of different things you can use. Use a scraper, razor blade, scouring pad. This is a bit of a scouring pad on her head. Right. Down. Look, still there. Over there. Bit of light on. Bit better. Few bits to go over. It's looking good. That's looking good. I'd eat my dinner off that. Same thing with the sump. As I said, there wasn't much material in the sump because it was all basically in the strainer. Give it a rinse out. We're not hopefully going for all clean, shiny metal. We're just looking to make sure that we've got all the silicone off so we can get a good seal. So look there, so you can see that it's all cleaned out. Where I've actually pried on the back edge of it, you can see there's no distortion or anything, so it's good to go back on there. Just need to get some glue or silicone. Get a couple of bolts in just to hold it. To be honest, I could probably let go now and it'd hold the silicone. I have the torque set right down on this, so if one doesn't go quite squarely in, it won't ruin it or strip it. Literally, it would hold the gun and just stop it. Won't let it put anything in crossed or anything. Just as a bit of a safety thing. Using like a 3/8 gun or something like that, it'd be quite easy just to put it in, fire it through and take the threads out for you, which is not ideal. Right, all nipped up. Now, I know you can fill these with oil and start them straight away with this kind of silicone. I prefer to leave it, if I can, I'll leave it overnight just to set. Just gonna... So ours is the steel sump, so it's 8 Newton meters. So we'll just quickly go around these. So we're in set to 8. Doesn't give any particular pattern, but I will crisscross slightly. You can see yourself, it's like almost a second. Right. There we go. So we'll just leave that till the morning. Put the oil filter in it, fill it with some oil. Got to give the customer a call and just let them know the situation. Obviously, we'll be heavily advising to fit a new belt to it, but it is at the end of the day up to the customer. So we'll see what he says. Well, job done for now. Thanks very much for watching. If you did like the video or find it helpful, please drop a like. And for more content like this, please subscribe. Thank you.